up, everybody? My name is Sacred Soul, and I hope you guys will enjoy this performance with me. I wrote this song for a special someone in my life who left me. She knows why she left me, so I'm not gonna get into it. Her loss. Yeah. Come on. Come on. See me again. It was your choice. You left because you knew why you left me. I'm not gonna get into it. Yeah. Anyway, on to bigger things, better things. This Sabawela somebody. I'm Sabawelling right now. That's the name of my new song. It's called Sabawell. Come on. Oh girl, I need your love so much. Yeah, come on.
It's winter, the cold is calling. Destruction, our love is falling. I thought by this time you'd still be mine. I thought everything was gonna be fine. It's winter, the cold is calling. Destruction, our love is falling. I thought everything was gonna be fine. I thought by this time still be mine. So well to know how to go. So well in December. I miss you. Hell yeah, I need you. I need you. So well to know how to go. So well, so well, so well, so well, so well, so well your touch, so well your kiss, so well your hugs, so well your cuddle, so well your everything. So well, so well, so well. Oh, so well, oh, so well. So well, so well, so well. Oh, so well.
Woo, come on.
So well, so well. So well, so well, so well. So well, so well, so well. So well, kiss and just so well to know how to go. So well in December.
Out with the old, in with the new. Yeah, come on. Sacred Soul is the name. You can get me on Facebook, on Twitter, everywhere. Sacred Soul, follow me and get more from me. This is my next song. I hope you guys enjoy it. I really love you. Yeah. Yeah. The song is making the waves everywhere on Channel O, even on Ukhozi FM, they played it. I hope you guys enjoy it. It's called Izintombi Zethu.
Izintombi zethu sihamba ubusuku bonke silahle ibuye ekuseni lapho piano. Izintombi zethu sihamba ubusuku bonke silahle ibuye ekuseni lapho piano. Izintombi zethu sihamba ubusuku bonke silahle ibuye ekuseni lapho piano. Izintombi zethu sihamba ubusuku bonke silahle ibuye ekuseni. DJ X, baby.
Yeah. Yeah.
Russia. Sengikhathele, baby. Sengikhathele, baby. Njalo wena uhambe ebusuku ubuye ekuseni. Ngingazi ukuthi ubukephi.
Come on.
Sengikhathele, baby. Sengikhathele, baby. Njalo wena uhambe ebusuku ubuye ekuseni. Ngingazi ukuthi ubukephi. Tell winking away piano. I'm winking now. When I'm winking away piano, I'm winking now. Winking away piano. Winking now. Winking away piano. When I'm winking now. Winking away piano. Winking now. I'm winking away piano.
Yo. Sanitizer, Kal. Sanitizer.
Thanks, fam.
Ooh, Mandeni winkinga. Mandeni winkinga.
Winkinga we piano, winkinga mandeni, winkinga we lockdown.
Manje awusho mfethu ubale ngane yakhe yethu mfethu.
I don't want to get into it. She knows herself, fam.
Yo, what I want to say to Mandeni, I know people at home that don't know this. With Sacred Soul, my brother, if I'm not lying, I think I've met with you twice now.
Yeah.
And only today, Mbugele Ekaya lang tole khona ukuthi this is the Secret Soul. I've met with this guy twice, and we have talked about music. Generally, we're just talking music.
Yeah,
and it's exciting. music. And today, bra, inamba blindly fire dog.
It's a hidden treasure, dog. It's a hidden treasure.
Sure. Fethu nyabonga kakhulu dope music fethu ababukele emakhaya fethu mabefuna music wakho tholaka imaphi ama platform okubona njengamanje.
Okay, cool. So my music is available everywhere on iTunes. Mostly on iTunes. You can get it on iTunes, but also now for Spotify you can actually get my music. Everywhere on YouTube actually you can stream my music videos.
Sure.
Because I've actually shot 2 music videos. This is the second one. There's another one.
Yabo ku TV lo mjida lo. Ku TV TV yakho, can you imagine? Ku TV yakho nangu ku TV. Cabanga ku TV kubuka TV wena. Cabanga.
Yeah, fam.
Except dog. Shout out to your music video, dog.
Thanks a lot, bro.
It's a dope video, by the way, and ikona ku channel. I heard it's ikona ku channel.
Yeah, it's actually been playing on Channel O a lot, and also on MTV Base.
MTV Base.
Yeah, it's actually been playing a lot. So yeah, I'm still pushing, bruh. I'm just hoping for more music in future, more music videos, so that I can grow as a brand. Lengo Malay Dumbizetu, I did it with a guy called DJ X. He's a colleague of mine. Yeah, so we've done a lot with that guy.
Yeah.
Both of the videos we shot, I've done with this guy. Because, because he's a dope artist, and so I like meeting dope artists and working with other dope artists.
But all the best if I can from judging from me, Katas, we have spoken. You know a lot about music. We've shared like a couple of ideas with music, and I felt that with him. This guy knows music. Like yo,
I do, bruh. I do. I love music, fam.
Sure. And so all the best. And so I hope Mandeni Nyabona go see how talented your people are.
That's what it is.
These are your people, Buffet. So Abantu Bangakiti, Buffet. So this is my hood. Come on, Buffet. So and Abantu Bangakiti, they are so much talented and they put in the work like Buffet. So I appreciate that. This is an honor today.
Yeah, actually, I'd actually like to thank Lockdown, Mandeni Lockdown House Party for actually putting us on the spots as well. You know,
thank you,
and exposing our talents to Abantu out there. Abantu Baz will say,
we appreciate all the love to Mr. Soul Touch, man. All the love to Mr. Soul Touch. Mandeni Lockdown House Party. You're still rolling with the Stella Warazunga. We're still live. Sunday. This is a blessing Sunday, bafethu. A blessing Sunday. I love you guys. Up next, sino DJs shine number yena bafethu. Deep yabo manje sisothu.
Chile sangman.
Say yo, thank you so much. Secret Soul bafethu. Only Monday in lockdown house parties. You know what time it is. What's up?